Kentucky, some parts 20 inches above normal for this time of the year, and it's only June.
It is.
And they really haven't even hit a lot of their rainy weather yet, so it's been a mess. Today, we skipped the rain. You know when you take a rock and you skip it across the water? We were in that area where the rock didn't hit the water. We missed all the rain somehow. Just some light amounts around the Queen City. The rest of the Carolinas, not as lucky, especially eastern North Carolina, where they had some severe thunderstorms around. They had a severe thunderstorm watch in effect today. It has expired now, and in fact, all of the rain pushing offshore into the Atlantic. That's the good news. However, there's still plenty of moisture out there, and we can't rule out that chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. Take a look at it. Showers and storms around early, and you know, there is still the possibility that close to sunrise one might pass us by, but nothing strong is expected, and certainly no heavy rain. Low temperatures down to around 70 degrees, winds out of the southwest. Here's your sunrise and sunset time, 6:09. Your sun setting at 8:41. We're sitting at 74 degrees right now. Your humidity is 88%. Winds out of the southwest 14. Pressure rising and the dew point at 70. High on the day 85. Low this morning 71. A degree above normal for this time of the year, and just a little more than a trace of rainfall. Thanks to my weather watchers checking in with me. Check out that temperature for Fred Foll up on top of Beach Mountain, 54 degrees. Wouldn't you love to be up there right now? Joe says it's like a steam bath out in Newton with a temperature of 76. Highs today, you know, take a look at this. Where you see the low to mid 80s, that's where we stayed rain-free. But those folks who warmed up, that's where the thunderstorms popped up. Across eastern Carolina today, Fayetteville, Florence, even Wilmington picking up a thunderstorm. And all of the bright white clouds right now pushing offshore. But there are still some residual clouds, still some residual moisture, so we can't rule out that chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. But you're going to note on Doppler radar that not a whole lot out there right now. A few showers perhaps pushing the mountain counties, and I wouldn't be surprised if some of them make it across. But I would say 95% of our viewing area will stay dry through the overnight hours. Just don't be surprised if you wake up to some wet roads before you head to work in the morning. The bigger picture, here's all the moisture streaming up the East Coast, slowly pushing towards the east, so the clouds will stay with us. We will clear out late in the day tomorrow as a cold front actually pushes through, but folks, it's a misnomer. It is not a cold front. There is no cold air behind this front. If anything, the air will be warmer than today. Here's how it shapes up. Hard to believe. Lots of sun, still very warm, highs near 90 for your Thursday, and it doesn't get any cooler than that. Summer rolls in Saturday morning at 4 a.m., and boy, does it look like summer. This is the first time, I think, in a while that summer has been so late in coming in. As you know, we usually see it in the middle of spring.
Yeah, then it comes in with a bang.
A lot of 90s.
Thanks, Theresa. House for Archangel Daycare.
Well named. Aptly named. And we've got a new name, a new member of our WBTV family. Tell us all about it.
Oh, that's right. Al Conklin and Tracy Conklin had themselves a baby girl this afternoon, 3:53 this afternoon, I believe. Her name is Emma Faith, and we wish, of course, Al, Tracy, and their other daughter, Caroline, all the best. Everybody is everybody in great shape today, and we're very happy for them.
Good. How's that weather? Good shape tonight? A little warm.
Terrific shape. Yeah, it's a little warm out there, isn't it? A little bit on the muggy side.
Just a little.
Just a little. Last day of spring, folks, is tomorrow, your Friday. Summer coming in right on time. A lot of folks complaining this year that our spring was just not as warm as they would have liked it. But boy, did it warm up in a hurry this week, just in time. And I think before too long, folks are going to be complaining that it is too hot. Yep, that's right. A warm moonlit night out there tonight. We do have a full moon. We have a little bit of clouds. Not really clouds. It's more like an overcast condition, so it's creating a little bit of haze over that moon. But it should clear out by the morning time. Low temperatures near 68 underneath light winds. And as we mentioned, summer begins Saturday morning, 4:20 a.m. 14 hours, 32 minutes of sunshine for your Saturday. It's considered the longest day of the year, and believe it or not, Friday looking the same because the sun will rise Friday morning, 6:09 a.m., set Friday evening at 8:41. 78 degrees. Yeah, 78 degrees. 11 o'clock, 78 degrees. What's going on? It's summertime, folks. Humidity 64%. Winds are calm. Pressure is rising finally, and the dew point checking in at 65. High on the day, 87. Low this morning, 67. Right on target for this time of the year. 0 rainfall today, but numbers above normal for much of our viewing area. In fact, head up in Watauga County, 6.6 inches already for the month of June, and it's not even over yet. Fred in Avery County, 3.86 inches, and Joe says 5.35 inches. And Joe is begging me as well not to bring any rain. And we're looking pretty free and clear for the next couple of days, with the exception being a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. They're going to occur. This is summertime, and those folks who see those temperatures get above the 90-degree mark will see them already across eastern Carolina. We can see some of them popping up. No thunderstorms, really just a quick passing shower, and that should be the extent of these the next couple of days. Satellite pictures will show that there are 2 systems affecting weather across the eastern half of the United States, one up to the north and the west, this one associated with a cold front, and another system to our south, creating some showers and thunderstorms across the Gulf Coast states, and starting to spread their way through to eastern Florida. But not a whole lot happening around the Carolinas, a few hit-or-miss thunderstorms, and that's pretty much all we can expect for the next couple of days. The reason being, well, that front to our north will stay to our north and will keep a lot of that moisture up in that direction. The system over the Gulf will continue to redevelop and just keep dropping moisture on the Gulf Coast states. So close to home, we don't have a lot to worry about, at least no rain to worry about. The problem will be the heat. And folks, it is expected to be rather warm right on through the weekend. So your forecast for your day Friday, time to say goodbye to spring. It seems like it's been a long spring for many folks, but tomorrow won't feel like spring. Sunny and hot with highs near 90, and then as summer rolls in this weekend, it's going to feel like summer. Temperatures in the lower 90s, the chance of a shower or a thunderstorm each day, but we're not talking a soaking rain, just the chance for a shower or thunderstorm.
Okay, Theresa.
Okay.
Thanks so much. Carol.